In this video, you will see how to add border to a picture in PowerPoint. As you can see, I have this picture and I have added border to this picture in PowerPoint. It's very easy. First, go to the Insert tab, click on Picture and select the picture from File. It may be from your computer. Just click on the image and click on Insert. After you insert the picture, you need to click on the picture to select it. Right click and here you will see the option of Format Picture. From here we can add border to the picture. You need to click here on the first icon, Fill and Line. And because we want to add a border, the border comes under the line. So it may be minimized like this. You need to click here on this arrow to see the options and then click on Solid Line. Now next to the color, you need to select the color of the border. For example, in this case, I am selecting here a red color and this is the width. So right now you can see a thin red border around the picture. But if you want to increase the thickness of this border, you need to increase the width, for example, 1.5 and press enter. So when you do that, the border thickness will increase. You can also change the border type and customize the border by selecting dotted, dash, etc. from here. Just select any one of the border type and then click inside the slide. In this way, you can add border to picture and customize the border in PowerPoint. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved to your problem. And don't forget to check out this video if you want to remove border from picture in PowerPoint. See you again in the next one.